Take off. Okay. O. It's not O, it's N. The last letter should be N. Yeah. N. Okay, very good. So, let's read. Take off my skin and I won't cry, but you will. What am I? So, the answer is onion. Say onion. Okay, very good. So, let's go to the next page. Let's prepare. Oops. What can you see here? Will you please say? What is this word? Can you read what is this word? Again, the traffic sign says slow. Say, how about this one? Very good. So, the traffic signs say slow. This one is, it's a sign that says slow. Okay? So, when you go on driving, what do you do when you go on driving? You go fast or slow? Slow. Very good. Good job. Okay, let's go to the next page. Whoops. Okay, can you read this? Fact. Okay, let's read the sentence, Eason. Okay, let's read this one. How about this one? What is this? Okay, what's that? Can you read this one? Say science. Science. Okay, I have a question and you have to answer mo. Fact means it is a noun that refers to something that truly exists or happens. So that is a fact. Okay, that's a fact. Now, teacher would like to ask questions. Here, apples are the fruit